My experience have been that if you just go out into nature, it will automatically calm you down and create this feeling of connection and, at the end, joy or happiness. So I would advise to make nature part of your ritual, part of your practice, part of your life. It can be simple just by sitting under a tree in a park nearby, or go for a small walk with your family or your children, or of course it could be amazing to just really carve out a part of your day so that you can just wander around and be amazed by the beauty of nature and apply a simple trick is just follow your senses. Try when you walk in nature to look at nature and to smell and to touch. Maybe touch a tree, maybe take off your shoes and walk bare feet.
And sometimes it's just like we forgot how powerful nature is. It can be so calming to just go into the forest when you feel stressed or busy. And it's such an easy way to just draw back, slow down, be with nature and be with yourself.